It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Thursday, the 11th of January. I'm Michael Groff. A warming trend starts today and will continue through the weekend and into much of next week. Periods of clouds will be about the only sensible weather we'll have around here for a while. But could we see another shot at rain and cooler temperatures by the end of next week? Let's get out and talk about it. 65 degrees was the high in the valley yesterday after a low of 52. We picked up an additional 0.05 of an inch of rain yesterday morning. So our storm total, 0.21 of an inch officially at Sky Harbor. Some parts of the valley had as much as 2/3 of an inch, especially in the North Valley. And outside right now here at 5:55 a.m., we are under partly cloudy skies. It's 48 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew point's also 48, relative humidity 100%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures across south central Arizona this morning, mostly in the upper 40s to low 50s here in Phoenix. The metro area, some of the outlying areas are in the lower and mid 40s. Water vapor satellite view shows that area of low pressure that brought us the rain over the last couple of days has now moved off into the plain states. And we are seeing ridging building back in here across the southwest. On the watch warning map, winter weather advisories extend from Texas north through the plains. A winter storm warning for much of the Dakotas, Minnesota, and some of the adjacent areas there. A blizzard warning to include places like Grafton, Grand Forks, North Dakota, Crookston, Minnesota, and a few dense fog advisories in parts of Florida this morning. On the convective outlook, no organized severe weather, but some thunder possible in parts of the Gulf Coast region, northward through the Mississippi Valley and eastward, as well as the mid-Atlantic states. And rainfall around here for the next 7 days. Absolutely nothing for us. We're going to be entering a pretty tranquil period of weather, which we'll talk about right now as we get out to the models and discuss. Here's the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. The upper chart at 18,000 feet. There's that area of low pressure moving eastward across Texas today. And we will be seeing ridging building back in. A dry northwest flow and highs this afternoon, mid and upper 60s with mostly sunny skies down here at the surface. Tonight, mostly clear, lows primarily in the 40s. And then tomorrow, a bit warmer, highs low 70s with mostly sunny skies. Now, over the weekend, we're going to see some little short waves passing north of Arizona. Some high clouds will come through. We'll call it partly cloudy for Saturday and Sunday with highs each day in the low to mid 70s. Monday for Martin Luther King Day. If you're going out to a parade or some of the festivities out and about, mostly sunny skies with highs in the mid 70s. About the same thing on Tuesday, maybe some high clouds, otherwise highs mid 70s. And that goes true for Wednesday. Partly sunny skies, highs in the mid 70s. This is a week from today, Thursday, the 18th of January. Got another trough coming toward the Pacific Northwest. A mainly zonal flow around here. Some high clouds at times, otherwise mostly sunny, highs low 70s. Friday, this is the 19th of January, and we've got a pretty cold upper trough now moving into the Great Basin and heading toward the southwest states. And if this verifies, moisture would once again increase, and we could be seeing some showers coming into parts of the state by late next week, and maybe even here in the valley. So some unsettled weather and certainly cooler temperatures, highs backing off into the 60s. And then this is the end of the 10-day forecast period. Saturday, the 20th of January, that looks very cool, and a drying trend would start there with highs likely only in the 50s, if that's right. All right, let's check the temperatures off the GFS ensemble. I think these are probably just a little bit too warm. In the short term, they look okay. Highs getting into the mid, maybe even upper 70s in a couple of these days. But I don't see any substantial cooling trend out there, and I think these temperatures are just a little overdone. The European ensemble temperatures probably just a shade too cool. Probably split the difference on these numbers. But overall, you get the idea. Temperatures will go above average and probably stay there through at least the end of next week, and then we'll likely start to see something of a cooling trend. And that's going to wrap it up for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video is going to come back here tomorrow morning, and if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notification. Otherwise, be safe out there and have a great Thursday.